Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Bennie Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, and I am back with another inspirational video. But before we get into it, let me make sure I share the disclaimer that everyone shares in the Forex community, because I believe that we all genuinely care about those individuals who listen to our voice and watch our videos. And that is, please understand that there are risks involved when trading in the Forex market. There are risks involved when you invest in the Forex market. There are risks involved in any type of investment, and I like to even dumb it down to let you know that there are risks involved in relationships. All right, life is risky. Life is full of risk. So keep that in mind, and you do not want to trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And hey, listen, if you're like me, you can't afford to lose any money because you value your money. Not to say that money is everything, because money is not everything to me, and I know money is not everything to you, but you do value your money. You do believe in being a good steward over those things that God has blessed you with. But still, keep in mind, you don't want to trade money that you cannot afford to lose, or money that you have not set aside for you to invest. So with that being said, let's jump into this. So just like the title, you see the title of the video is The Problem with the Market Maker's Method. All right. And so I want to share with you my opinion, my perception of the problem with the market maker's method. All right. And so the problem with the market maker's method is this. All right. There is a problem with this trading method. And the problem is you. All right. The problem is me. The problem is the trader and not the trading method. All right. Take a look at my screen really quickly. All right. And again, you guys know I trade my workflow trading method. I also have a workflow trading template, which is simply the market makers. At the very base, it is the market makers trading template that is floating around on the internet, but I have tweaked it and added and recoded some free indicators to help me to not only scalp using the market makers method, but also to swing trade using my workflow trading method. And so here right now, of course, we would not dare just to hop in this trade, and this is the problem. All right, we're going to get into that real quick. We wouldn't dare just to hop into this trade just because we see that the market is at an exhaustion level, just because we see that the market is possibly working on the second leg of the M at the high of the day. We wouldn't simply just jump in because we see that the RSI portion of the TDI is overbought and it's now pointing downward. It is now crossing the red signal line. We wouldn't just enter in just because we saw a shark fin, because we see here, even though we saw a shark fin here, if you take a look up here, the market did come down a little bit, but what did it do? It shot right back up. And so here's the problem, because some of you guys, no doubt, you jumped in right here. All right, you jumped in at the end of Asian, start of London. You jumped in right here, and the reason why you jumped in right there is because, and here is the problem, you're trying to catch the whole move. You're trying to catch the whole move. Stop trying to catch the whole move. Why are you trying to catch the whole move, right? So, kind of sound like dad to my two boys right now. Why are you trying to catch the whole move, right? You're trying to get these sniper and precision entry points and all this kind of stuff, because you want to catch it, at the very tip of the high of the day. You want to catch it at the very tip of the low of the day. And why? You do not. This is one thing that I preach, and I'm kind of passionate when it comes to this, but this is one thing that I preach and teach and really try to really ingrain into the members of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, is that you do not need to catch the whole move in order to be profitable. You do not need to be able to catch the whole move in order to be profitable. No, 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 you don't. And this is why many of us are failing at the market maker's method, because no doubt, I know there are some of you guys who jumped in because you saw the shark fin and you jumped in right here. And you even got the TDI arrow showing you that a shark fin was made, and it's overbought and all that. You jumped in right here because you want to catch the tip top of the move. But look what happened, right? And some days it'll work out for you. Some days. Let's see if we can find a day. I'm not going to look for it. But some days it may work out for you to where, hey, you're able to get the 20, 30, 50 pips, right? But it still goes the other way. And so you basically lucked out on that day. But this particular day you did not, because I no doubt that there are individuals still on GU holding this trade right here, hoping for the market to turn around instead of cutting your losses. But because you were trying to catch the whole of the move, you have had a misanalysis. And I hope I'm saying that right. I'm not the most articulate, right? I'm not the sharpest knife in the drawer when it comes to language and English and things of that nature. I think I speak fairly well to where I can get through life and people can understand me and take me as intelligible. But excuse me if I pronounce that or if I pronounce that incorrectly. But anyway, no doubt you're still holding that, and no doubt you have a misanalysis, right? You have a wrong analysis, right? And that is because you were trying to catch the whole move, right? You were not exercising patience, and God forbid if you were not exercising proper account risk management. You jumping in here with $100 account, and you're trying to trade it at 10%. You're trying to trade it at $10, and just you see the videos where people were able to quadruple their account within a matter of minutes or whatever. Listen, guys, you better stop that. I'm trying to tell you, I've been down that road, and it's not a pretty road. It's a bumpy road, right? It's a stressful road. It's a regretful road, and so you don't want to do that. Exercise patience. Exercise account risk management. Stop trying to catch the whole move. You don't need to catch the whole move to be profitable, right? You don't need to catch the whole 50 pips. You don't need to catch the whole 100 pip move. You don't need to do that, and that is the problem. That is the problem with the market maker's method. Everyone is always trying to, from what I see, my perspective, okay? This is just Bennie Chow's perspective. People are always trying to catch the whole of the move, and you don't need to catch the whole of the move. Wait for your entry signal, okay? Wait for your entry rules to be met. Once your entry rules have been met, now you have a higher probability of catching the move, right? You don't need the whole move, guys. Come on, you don't need the whole move. You don't need the whole move. Like, again, when it comes to scalping, I think that the market maker's method is one of the best scalping methods out there. All right, I know that there are other scalping methods. All right, and you can keep it simple. I shared that in past videos. You can keep it simple even with the market maker's method and still be profitable. So that's the problem. It's you, it's me, it's the trader, because we're always trying to catch the whole move. And we feel like we're missing out on something because we're not able to catch the whole move. But my God, you were profitable today, and that is all that matters. That you have made some extra money. All right, you have got a return on your investment. And how many of your friends, your family, your co-workers can say that, hey, they made a return on their investment? And you're talking anywhere between, sometimes, you guys are making like 5%, in a day return, or 5% ROI in a day. Like, you get that in a year at a bank. Like, come on. So I hope this helps. Like, stop trying to catch the whole move. Like, stop. I mean, we see this. We see that this is possibly the second leg, forming. We still got 4 minutes. I still wouldn't get in right here. I may be missing out on 50 pips and get in and only grab 20 pips. But hey, you know what? I was profitable today and I didn't lose any of my money. Like these guys back here. These guys who jumped in, let's see, this should be here's 3 a.m. You guys jumped in at 3 a.m., 3:15, anywhere between probably 3:15, even at 3:45. Probably at 3:45, you guys jumped in. You jumped in too early. All right, you jumped in too early. All right, and even now, like again, I would not jump in on this right now, even though it's moving down, it's pushing down. Wait, be patient. All right, be patient, and wait on your entry rules to be met. Wait on all of your entry rules to be met. Teach Me the Fish Effects Trading Community. You guys wait on all of the entry rules to be met before you get in. We don't need to catch the whole move in order to be profitable. All right. But if you make a ROI, any type of ROI, any type of increase to your account, you're doing well. You're doing good. You're doing better than most. You're doing better than the 95%. All right, that's the statistic that's out there. It's been out there since I've been trading, which 3-4 years now. 95% of traders are not profitable. 95% of traders are always losing. 95% of traders are always refunding their account. Like, who wants, man, miss me with that. Who wants that type of life, right? No one wants that type of life. And I was once on that journey. And I want to try and help as many people as possible. So I hope that helps. That is the problem with the market maker's method. It's not the method. It's you, it's I, it's the trader. And so hopefully this will help you, to encourage you to be patient. You don't have to catch the whole of the move in order to be profitable. All right, guys, that is it. I'm going to get off of my soapbox and tend to some other business and some other relaxing, some other R&R things. So take care of some business for an hour or two. Go out. You guys know I've taken up fishing. I've taken a liking to fishing now, so go out and do that before it's time to go and pick up the kiddos and do some more work. So I hope this has been inspiring for you. I hope it's been informative for you. So as always, please remember that if you stay in God, you will stay in control. All right, and happy pip fishing. And head over to the website, right? Head over to the teachmetofisheffects.com. You can from there you can connect with me on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, on Twitter. You can connect with me and help us grow this community, guys. Help me grow this community. And if you have not done so already, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you like the videos. Make sure you click the bell notification icon and make sure you select all. You want to get all of the notifications so you can be notified whenever I go live with my live trading, live analysis, live training. All of it. All of it is going to help you. I promise you. All of it is going to help you. Even if I'm just doing a trade update, I still always try to slip in some nuggets for you guys. So, all right. I appreciate you again. And again, I'm going to say this. Stay in God. You stay in control. Until next time, happy pip fishing. Remember, you don't need the whole of the move. Getting some alerts here. Anyway, you don't need the whole of the move in order to be profitable. Remember that. All right, guys. Take it easy. Bye-bye.